Installing this is super easy. All you do, you don't need to put it on ramps or anything. There's 3 pop tabs. You can use a flathead screwdriver. I have a puller tool, makes it a little quicker. Bend this down, and then that right there is your fog light. You rotate it counterclockwise. Take it out. Do not touch the glass on this. Your oils can mess it up, or if you want to touch the glass, wear gloves, one or the other. There's a pop tab here. I'm pushing with my thumb. Push that down, and it comes free. I'm doing this with one hand while filming, so this is very easy. Then you just put it back in. Make sure to test this before you plug everything or close everything up, because this is directional. And this seems to be a universal plug, so it can go either way. Test it like that. While I have this out, the car is not on, but the ignition is on. And that fan, you can hear it running, does make a little bit of noise. I worry about that fan getting wet. I'll have to check on the specs, see what they say. So actually this says it's IP67 waterproof, so it's pretty good rating. Also, I noticed towards the back, it was odd. It comes with a 1-year warranty, but it says that please cut off the power cable and send a picture to us. So they want you to destroy it? I'm not sure I understand. Here is the color temperature from the factory HIDs to the LASFIT fog lights. Oh, it's so close. I think it's just a hair. It's funny. This almost starts to look blue. I hope the camera is picking this up. It is very, very close. And I think the C light is throwing it off. So ignore that. But actually look at the temperature of the HIDs there compared to the fog lights there. Let's get some night footage. And here we have a before and after, left side, right side really. But it is very, very close in color, as you can see there. Especially when you compare it to the standard bulb, where the factory headlight is HIDs. Let it adjust. But the factory bulb is just a cheap little halogen. It really, I always hated how that looked. That's not even including how it turns on and off as you turn. I believe it's steering responsive fog lights. I hate that feature. But also, that's a good comparison. That's the light output from the fog light on the ground. And that's the light output from the factory fog light. It's not only whiter, so it's a clear white, but it looks to be 2 or 3 times as bright. Let's do a comparison driving on the road and see what it looks like. Day running lights, stock headlights, stock high beams, stock fog light on right, LASFIT fog light on left. So I have to say at this point, the steering responsive fog lights I never was a fan of. However, these LASFIT LED lights have made me appreciate them, because as I've been driving around here, you'll see them come on, and it lights enough light that it's actually useful light when it turns. It's not exactly the same as steering headlights, but when those lights light up, I mean, I can almost see around the corner. If you see this footage here, I've got to say these are a win. I did not expect this. I actually was planning to make a troll video and talk about what pieces of junk LED aftermarket lights are, but this is pretty good. Anyways, this has been a quick and dirty review of these LASFIT LED bulbs. They are so close to the temperature, but overall I think they're actually a pretty good product. They actually make the steering responsive fog lights usable, a nice feature, something that this car has had since I got it, and I never liked that feature, and I never could, well, I guess I could turn it off on the dash, but then I'd have a warning light that I turned it off as if I need that. And in addition to that, I guess I could just unplug the fog light, but this is actually a usable fog light. I never really cared for factory fog lights. I never think they're good for anything, especially when you compare them to the factory HID headlights. But honestly, these things are great. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.